It's the very edge.
It's the very edge?
I am on this edge.
I hope not.
But there was the arrow next to it. But I was on this edge.
Yeah, you could fall on that edge.
Oh, my feathery bottom.
Hurt your feathery bottom?
Yeah. Feathery bottom, feathery bottom. Feathery bottom.
Feathery bottom.
I am watering this mammoth. I settle it down.
That's a great idea. And what?
Now I am.
Scoot, scoot, scoot.
I am though.
Nope, that's the end.
This isn't.
It is kind of.
I better and up.
Careful. Be
What did you do? What in the family? What did you do?
I don't know. What kind of animal says cock-a-doodle-doo?
A rooster.
A rooster. What other animals do you know?
Moo.
What kind of animal says that?
A big owl.
Big cow. What other animals do you know?
And you act like the animal?
Buck, 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 buck.
What kind of animal is that?
I think it's oh, what a big truck. A chicken. What animal goes caw, caw?
A bird.
What kind of bird?
An eagle.
An eagle. Not so much. What about a crow?
Yeah.
Yeah. What animal goes neigh?
A horse.
A horse. What animal goes yee-haw? Whoa! Maybe we should get down off the table now. If you're gonna start almost falling down.
I don't want to.
I know you don't want to, but you especially don't want to fall off the table. So maybe, yeah, sit down is good. Sitting down is a good plan.
But ending up is a good plan.
But not really.
I'm
Eh.
Did I put my shoes on?
You want to put your shoes on? Yeah. Okay, I'll go get them.
And now Andy on the bench.
Yeah, it's not sandy on the bench.
But on the end.
Yeah, it's pretty sandy on the sand. What did we find in the sand, Stella?
We found your sunglasses.
We found my sunglasses, and why were my sunglasses in the sand?
When they got all buried.
They got all buried, and who buried my sunglasses in the sand?
Me.
That's right. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.